Hello fam, welcome back to Marvelous Beauty here. It's me, Mami here. Today I've got an excited video to do for you as we are in holiday season. You know, we are close to Christmas. We are so excited for Christmas. This is gonna be New Year. We're gonna say bye-bye to 2021. So today I've got an exciting, lovely video to share with you. Today's video title, as you can see, is how you can gain weight on a particular place that you want on your hip or your bum. You know, this video is for my slim girls. If you are slim, this is for you. So watch it until the end and then you're gonna learn something nice. Remember, I always tell you, I'm not a doctor or a nurse, I'm a beautician. I always do my experiments. When I feel it works, so I will come here, share it with you. So today we'll be doing that, you know, how you can gain weight in a particular area, your hips and your bums. I did a video previously a few months ago on how you can gain weight on a particular place that you want. So a lot of people like the video and then people really enjoy the video, so it's nice. But some people told me that, you know, some people they have like allergic problem. We did the video was like the ingredient was avocado, milk and banana, and then some people told me that, you know what, some people have allergy on, you know, on some ingredients we use, so why don't you use like a different technique which like everyone can use. I was like, yes, I'm gonna do it. So that's what I'm doing today. So today we'll be using a rubbing technique. We are not drinking anything, we're just gonna be something that you can apply on your skin and then it's gonna stimulate the muscle to make it bigger and wider. So if you want to see how I'm gonna do it, keep watching. Much love, Mommy. Yeah guys, as I told you, so today's video is very easy and simple, so you know, on how to gain weight on the particular part of your body. So for the ingredients to do our mixed paste, so we'll be using a onion. So make sure you use the red onion. The red onion is really nice like on stimulating your body muscle. And then we'll be needing extra virgin olive oil, and then we'll be needing the toothpaste, you know. So these three ingredients, we're gonna do it, mix it together, and then so we're gonna do it like a rubbing massage. So I'll show you how to do it, but first let's get started with the ingredients. So what you will need the cheese grater as well. So we're gonna grate our red onion. Yeah guys, here I am here. If you are new here, my name is Mami. Welcome to Marvelous Beauty World. We do video on makeup, lifestyle. Sometimes we do video with my girls as well, Coach Margie and then Coach Melissa. We do video with them, we do lifestyle, we do vlogging. So that's me just, you know, grating the onion. Just grate it, you know. Make sure that you grate like the smaller place, so you have it like, you know, tiny. Now that's the onion, the red onion. We did grate the onion, so we just put it side there. So for the quantity, depend on you. So if you want a big quantity, you know, you can go ahead like grate like the whole onion. But if you just want the one you're gonna use like in a day or 2-3 days, so it depends on you. So you can grate like the full onion for the quantity that you can use, maybe 2-3 days. But if you want it just for a day, half onion will do. So it depends on just what we are after. So that's me. I've got my onion grated here. Yes, so I'll put it side. Yes guys, this is the onion. So now I'm gonna put some toothpaste. So I think this amount will do. So for the toothpaste, it depends on whatever toothpaste you have in your hand, you know. It doesn't have just to be Colgate. So any toothpaste will do, which have opioid inside will do. So that opioids is just gonna help like to stimulate the muscle of your, you know, your hips and then your bum. You guys, please let me know if you ever try this technique of, you know, toothpaste and onion and olive oil, or if you have a different technique you use like to get your hips and bum big, let us know. So if you are new here, so welcome to Marvelous Beauty. You are in a good place. If you like stuff like beauty, we welcome you here. So for our normal one, so let us know what you think about this courses. Tell us if you like it, if you want to see more video of this content, or you know, just let us know what you think about it. But I did try this method, it works on me. I hope it's gonna work for you as well. If you are a slim lady, you want some big, you know, hips, big bum, so this is for you. Go ahead. So here I'm just mixing, you know, so go ahead, try this technique. You're gonna come and thank me. So you're gonna use it like twice a day. So within 2 weeks you will see the result. The result you will see is just like from this mix. So it's gonna help you like stimulate the muscle of your hips and bum to grow. And then so this virgin olive oil, so I'm putting 1 teaspoon. So I feel one is not enough. I'm putting 2, and then you mix all the 3 ingredients together. That means just mixing. You mix it until everything become like one. So you see like you are happy with the mix, yeah, and then so you can, you know, use it. So that's me mixing. So I'm happy with my mix here. You know, these things really work, so don't just dab on it, just try it, keep it, give it a try. At least 3 weeks you'll see the result. Trust me, you will come and thank me here. So that my mixer is done. So you get it now. So in any particular part of your body you want. So my hand is clean, and then this part of my hand is clean. So we are pretending that this is your hips, you know. So you do it like this, you massage it like this. So do some kind of like circulation motion, you know. You do it like this, so you massage it between 5 to 10 minutes. Trust me, so these things, it works like magic. A lot of people try it and then they told me that it's working, and I did try it, it works for me. Please guys, you try it for yourself, and then you know, you can be your own witness. You see how it works, you know. So you massage it this way, you massage it at least 5 to 10 minutes. When you finish to massage, so you make sure you go to you do circulation motion. Why you have to do circulation motion? Because you have to, like, you know, stimulate the muscle of your hips and your bum. You know, New Year is coming, everybody has their own goal to achieve. Yeah, so you just massage it like between 5 to 10 minutes, and then you leave it there for half an hour, and then you wash it off. So I will leave it for half an hour, and then I wash it off. So after washing off, so I'll show you. After washing off, so after washing my mix, so you're gonna get a bit of olive oil here. You go circulation motion, you do your massage on your hips, on your bum, you know, on any particular part of your body that you want it to be big. You massage it very well, circulation motion. When you are doing your circulation motion, it's just helping you, you know, to increase the blood circulation and then stimulate the muscle of your hips and your bum. Yeah guys, so after finishing, you just let it there, and then you know, you go to bed. Trust me, if you try this technique, you're gonna come and thank me. It's very, very effective. It does work like magic. Like, you know, if you want your big hips, you want your big bum, trust me, it's gonna work. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. I do appreciate you. We like your support. We thank you so much. So please keep liking the video, keep sharing, keep subscribing. Help this channel to grow. So I will see you on my next one. It was Mommy from Marvelous Beauty World. My slim girl, try this technique. Love you so much. Bye.